The DEWALT DWS716 Miter Saw is a powerhouse tool designed to meet the demands of both accuracy and durability on the worksite. With a stainless steel miter detent plate boasting 14 positive stops, this saw ensures repeatable precision with each cut. Its tall sliding fences can support substantial crown and base moldings, making it versatile for various projects. One of the standout features of this miter saw is its double bevel design, allowing bevel cuts from 0 to 48 degrees on both left and right sides, with positive stops at key angles for efficiency and accuracy. Additionally, the cam lock miter handle with detent override enables swift and precise angle adjustments, enhancing workflow and productivity. Powered by a robust 15-amp motor spinning at 3,800 revolutions per minute, this saw delivers the power and durability needed for demanding tasks. The inclusion of a high-efficiency dust duct ensures cleaner cuts by directing dust away from the cutting area, while the lightweight design and built-in carry handle enhance portability, making it convenient for transportation between job sites. While the DEWALT DWS716 impresses with its features and performance, some users have expressed disappointment over the absence of a cut line, a feature found in the XPS model. Despite this drawback, many users still find the saw to be a worthy investment due to its overall quality and functionality. For those considering an upgrade or replacement from older models, like the Craftsman Miter Saw, the DEWALT DWS716 offers significant improvements in parts quality and finish. Users note the superior craftsmanship and attention to detail, with metal components replacing plastic in key areas, resulting in a more durable and refined tool. While initial setup and alignment may require some time and effort, particularly for those seeking precision in their cuts, the investment is deemed worthwhile for achieving accurate angles and ensuring optimal performance. Additionally, users appreciate the improved dust collection capabilities compared to older models, although challenges with dust management persist to some extent. In conclusion, the DEWALT DWS716 Miter Saw stands out as a top choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, offering a blend of power, precision, and durability. Despite minor drawbacks such as the absence of a cut line in the base model, its overall performance and build quality make it a valuable addition to any workshop or job site.